Hey there, welcome to the video. Today we're diving into a perplexing problem that a lot of Linux users might encounter when working with SVG files and FFmpeg. So, the issue at hand is that a long-standing command used to convert SVG files into videos suddenly started producing low-resolution outputs, even though the input files were high-definition 1920 by 1080. Quite the head-scratcher, right? Now, let's talk about the solution to this puzzling dilemma. It seems that newer versions of FFmpeg might be the culprit here. By tweaking the command line with the width, height, and keep _AR0 arguments, we can force the output resolution to the desired 1920 by 1080 without any strange resizing issues. Oh, and if you're curious about the resolution of your SVG files, a handy tip is to use exifdal to check the viewbox property. In summary, we've uncovered a workaround to a quirky resolution problem in FFmpeg when dealing with SVG files. By fine-tuning the command line options, you can ensure a smooth conversion process without any unexpected surprises. Well, that's all for today, folks. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like the video, and drop a comment below with your thoughts. Until next time, happy editing!